Welcome to the Domain Racer. And the good news is cpanel merge two tools. First one, adding a new domain into cpanel, and second, creating subdomains, and both are merged into single panel. Old panel look like this, and the new one is here. There is only one option, domains. When we adding a new domain, so that time we also has to add a name servers into our domain provider. If you don't know, we already created a playlist. You can watch and learn how to update the name servers. Now click on domains. Here you will find option add a new domains. Here only difference is if you add a new domain, so that time you have to enter a domain name. So this is a new domain, and just scroll down here you have to be specifically add a directory name. Make sure that this directory should be empty or a unique one, and after that click on submit. You can see domain has been added successfully. Now we will try for a subdomain. For subdomain, we have to enter the name. For adding a subdomain, you can able to just add your subdomain and your domain name. Make sure that this is unique and empty and click on submit. Now update the name servers. After that, if you wanted to know anything about the web hosting at all, you can able to watch this playlist. In this, everything has been clear, so you will get all information in one place. And need additional information, you can search here, you will get almost all videos. And with Domain Racer we are giving free SEO default.